Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by assembling 10 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 2 cups diced onion, 1 cup chopped cilantro, 3 to 4 jalapenos seeded if desired, and 4 cloves garlic. Core and quarter tomatoes, then pulse in batches to your preferred chunkiness. You should yield about 9 to 10 pints. Measure 2 tablespoons bottled lemon juice or 1/4 cup 5% vinegar per pint, and add it to each jar later to guarantee acidity. Sterilize pint jars, keep lids warm, and have a boiling water canner and jar lifter ready before you heat the salsa. Bring a wide saucepan to medium-high heat and combine pulsed tomatoes, 2 cups diced onion, chopped peppers, and 4 cloves minced garlic. Add 2 teaspoons salt per quart of finished salsa and simmer, uncovered, for 20 minutes to reduce excess liquid and blend flavors. Stir in 1/2 cup chopped cilantro and 2 tablespoons sugar only if you need to balance sharp acidity. Taste and adjust heat by adding up to 25% more chopped peppers or salt gradually, but do not reduce the measured lemon juice or 5% vinegar added for safety. With lids warmed, ladle the hot salsa into sterilized pint jars, leaving 1/2-inch headspace to allow for expansion. Wipe rims clean and apply the warmed lids and bands fingertip tight. Place jars in a boiling water canner with at least 1 inch of water above lids and bring to a full rolling boil. Process pint jars for 15 minutes. Remove jars and cool undisturbed 12 to 24 hours, then test seals. Label each jar with the canning date and store in a cool, dark place. Properly sealed salsa keeps up to 12 months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.